Welcome to come back my channel. Today I'm gonna explain you and tell you what is a Facebook, how does it work, what is special about Facebook. First of all, we're gonna discuss it. What is a Facebook? Facebook is a social network site that makes it easy for you to connect and share with family and friends online. Originally designed by college students, Facebook was created in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, which has been enrolled in the Harvard University by 2006. Anyone over the age of 13 with a valid email address could join Facebook. Today, Facebook is the world's largest social network, the more than 1 billion users worldwide. Why use Facebook? Have you ever wondered why people like using Facebook? After all, there are already a lot of other ways to communicate online, like through email, instant messaging, and so on. What makes Facebook unique is the ability to connect and share with the people you care about at the same time. For many, having a Facebook account is now an expected part of being online, much like having your own email address. And because Facebook is so popular, other websites have worked to integrate Facebook. The mean you can use a single Facebook account to sign into the different services across the web. Click the arrow in the slideshow below to see example of the different ways you can use the Facebook. This is see updates and posts from the friends. Share photos and video with the friends. Share information on your profile page. Invite friends to join group and events. Chat with available friends. Connect with business and celebrities. Use social plugins across the web. Connect your account with other sites. This is how does Facebook sharing work? Facebook allows to send message and post status updates to keep in touch with friends and family. You can also share different types of content like photos and links, but sharing something on Facebook is bit different from other types of online communication. Unlike email, instant messaging, which are relatively private, the things you share on Facebook are more public, which means they will usually be seen by the many other people. While Facebook offers privacy tools to help you limit who can see things you share, it's important to understand that Facebook is designed to be more open and social than traditional communication tools. We will talk more about the sharing and controlling your privacy is our lesson on Facebook privacy and adjust privacy. Introduction. If you are thinking about joining Facebook, this lesson will show you everything you need to get started. We will explain some common Facebook terms and how to create a Facebook account. You will also explore the Facebook homepage, timeline, and Facebook of mobile devices. Watch the video below to learn more about getting started with Facebook. Common Facebook terms, friends, like status updates. If you are new to Facebook, there are a lot of terms and phrases that may seem a little confusing at first. Reviewing some of most commonly used terms will give you a better understand and how Facebook works and what to expect as you getting started. Click the button in the interactive below to learn about some common terms or Facebook. Create a Facebook account. Before you can use Facebook, you must create an account. Creating a Facebook account is free. All you need to get started in email address and few minutes of your time to create Facebook account. Navigate to Facebook in your web browser. Under the word sign up, enter your professional information and desired password and then click sign up. This is how you can fill out this form. You You can follow the direction on the screen, find friends, upload a profile picture, learn about privacy setting and more. Before you can access all of Facebook feature, you will need to confirm your email address. To do this, sign into your email account, open the confirmation message from Facebook and click confirm your account. Exploring Facebook. Once you create an account, you will want to spend a little more becoming familiar with the different parts of Facebook, including the home page and timeline. The home page. The home page appears whenever you sign into Facebook. The home page displays your news feed, which shows the things your friends have shared on Facebook. The home page also allows you navigate to other parts of Facebook, such as your timeline. Click the button in the interactive below to become more familiar with the home page. This is the home page. The timeline. The timeline, also called a profile page, is where you share information about yourself. Whenever you post update, it appears on your timeline. The friends can also share posts on your timeline. Click the button in the interactive below to become more familiar with your timeline. This is the timeline. This is the timeline. Facebook for mobile devices. Facebook makes it easy to connect on the go. In fact, most Facebook users primarily access the site for a mobile device. Facebook offers an official mobile app on the variety of smartphones and tablets, include iOS and Android. You can use the mobile app to do just about everything. You can do it desktop version of Facebook, post status, updates, and picture read stories and updates chat with friend. We would like to give you a quick overview of two popular versions of Facebook. Facebook for Android, Facebook for iPhone. While the interface of the apps is somewhat different, you will notice that each app gives you access to the same basic feature. If you don't have a smartphone, you may be able to access the limited version of Facebook in your phone through the Facebook for every phone program and Facebook tags. Facebook for Android. This is the interface for Facebook Android. This is the Facebook for iPhone. This is the interface for iPhone and iPhone. This is the tutorial.